Imagine getting back 20 hours of your week without working harder, without pulling all-nighters, and without sacrificing your sanity. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you I've been quietly using 10 AI tools that basically became my digital assistants, and they've saved me nearly 3 full workdays this week alone? Stick around, because I'm breaking down every tool I used, how it actually worked in real life, and which one literally handled my emails while I slept. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I dive deep into the smartest ways to use tech and AI to work less and live more. Now, in 2025, AI isn't just hype anymore. It's becoming like electricity, always running in the background, powering everything we do. And the difference between people who are drowning in work and those who are effortlessly cruising through their week often comes down to how they're using AI. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact 10 AI tools I used this week to claw back 20 hours of my life. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, AI Email Assistant. Wake up to a clean inbox. Picture this. Monday morning, you open your inbox and it's flooded. Newsletters, meeting requests, random spam. It's overwhelming. Normally, I'd spend at least an hour sorting, deleting, and replying. But this week, I used an AI email assistant called Insert Trending Tool, e.g. Superhuman AI or Shortwave. Here's what it did. It categorized every incoming email into important, nice to read, and ignore. It drafted replies in my own writing style. And yes, it even scheduled meetings automatically. By the time I sat down at my desk, the AI had already handled 90% of the inbox. Result? I saved 1 hour per day. That's already 5 hours this week, just from email. But what if I told you that's just the beginning? Tool number 2, AI Calendar Wizard. No more scheduling chaos. If you've ever played Calendar Tetris, you know the pain. Back and forth emails, missed time zones, double bookings. This week, I used Reclaim AI to handle my scheduling. Here's what happened. It automatically prioritized meetings around my peak productivity hours. It rescheduled non-urgent events if I got behind. It even blocked out focus time so I could actually get deep work done. Instead of losing hours trying to juggle my calendar, the AI literally told me, "Here's your day. Just follow the plan." That's another 2 hours saved this week. Tool number 3, AI Meeting Notes, Instant Summaries. Raise your hand if you've ever left a meeting thinking, wait, what did we actually decide? This week, I used Otter.ai during every Zoom call. It listened, transcribed, and instantly generated bullet point action items. No more scribbling notes. No more, "Can you send me the summary later?" It turned 10 hours of meetings into 5 minutes of usable notes. That's another 2 hours saved right there. Tool number 4, AI Content Drafting, first drafts in minutes. Now I create a lot of content, emails, posts, scripts like this one. Normally, writing first drafts eats up hours. This week, I used Notion AI to generate first drafts. Here's the key. I didn't let it write for me. I let it write to start me off. It gave me a rough outline, I polished it up, and boom, a task that usually took 3 hours dropped to 45 minutes. Multiply that across the week, and I easily saved 4 hours. And let me ask you this. How many hours could you save if the blank page problem disappeared forever? Tool number 5, AI Research Assistant, answers without the rabbit hole, 8 to 9:30. Researching online can feel like falling into a black hole. One search turns into 20 tabs, and suddenly it's midnight. This week, I used Perplexity AI. It pulled information from credible sources, summarized it, and gave me answers without the fluff. Instead of digging for hours, I had my research ready in minutes. That's another 2 hours back. Tool number 6, AI Task Manager, my to-do list that manages itself. Ever stare at your to-do list and think, where do I even start? This week I tried Motion, an AI task manager. It didn't just list tasks, it actually planned them into my calendar automatically. Deadlines, adjusted, priorities, balanced, unexpected meetings, reshuffled. It was like having a project manager living inside my laptop. I'd say it saved me at least 1.5 hours this week. Tool number 7, AI Learning Buddy, upskill while you work. I've been trying to sharpen my design skills, but online courses take forever. This week, I used ChatGPT's tutor mode. I literally pasted problems I was stuck on, and it explained concepts in plain English, step by step. It's like having a private tutor on call 24/7. Instead of grinding through a 3-hour course, I learned what I needed in 30 minutes. That's another 2 hours saved. Tool number 8, AI document generator. Reports, proposals, contracts. If you've ever had to write a report, proposal, or contract, you know it's a time sink. This week, I used Jasper AI to generate drafts of client proposals. It structured everything, added professional polish, and left me to just tweak details. What normally takes half a day took under an hour. That's a solid 3 hours saved. Tool number 9, AI Automation Hub, connecting the dots. Here's where it gets fun. I set up automations with Zapier AI. For example, when I finished a meeting, notes automatically went into my project board. When I published content, it cross-posted everywhere automatically. When I got invoices, it logged them into my accounting software. Instead of 20 tiny repetitive tasks, AI quietly handled them in the background. That saved me at least 2 hours this week. Tool number 10, AI Wellness Coach, because burnout isn't productive. Here's the wild card. Productivity isn't just about working faster, it's about recovering better. This week, I tried Replica AI for guided breaks. It nudged me to take 5-minute breathers, suggested stretches, and even tracked my energy. Sounds silly, but without those reminders, I'd have powered straight through and burned out. Ironically, slowing down saved me mental hours. My focus stayed sharp. So let's add this up. Emails, 5 hours. Calendar, 2 hours. Meetings, 2 hours. Content, 4 hours. Research, 2 hours. Tasks, 1.5 hours. Learning, 2 hours. Documents, 3 hours. Automations, 2 hours. Wellness, priceless. In total, over 20 hours saved in just 1 week. And here's the kicker. I didn't work harder. I just worked smarter, with AI quietly running in the background. So the real question is, which of these tools would save you the most time? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because every week I'm sharing new AI life hacks to help you work less and live more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.